Hello, students, and anyone else who may be watching from home. This is Mr. Borges, also known as Zanzillo, and we're back in CodeCombat, ready to do our next level. Now, you see, the big yellow arrow keeps trying to send us back to some of these blue levels, and you can actually, the blue level that has a purple base, you can actually do the blue flags if they have a purple base, and I'm not sure why they've set it up that way. That's a little bit confusing for some people, I realize, right? You can always do the red ones. You can do the blue ones that have a purple base. So we're going to be doing 9 gems. Collect all 9 gems using, at most, 4 move XY commands. And here we go. Last time we did a level called if extravaganza, right? If you're following along with us. Okay, so in this level, we're going to collect all 9 gems and only 4 moves. Programming is about more than just learning special commands. It's also about solving puzzles. In this puzzle, use move XY to move. That's the easy part. You'll also need to collect all 9 gems, but you can't use more than 4 moves. More than 4 move XY commands. So we're going to click start level. And that's all they tell us, right? Collect all the gems in move XY using 4 move XYs or less, and programmers need to think creatively. So I'm guessing if you're here on this level, it's probably not because you had a problem using move XY. You can decide where does you want to move to by holding the mouse over the screen to get the coordinates, and you can say hero.moveXY, put in those numbers, the hero will move there. You're probably not having problems with that. If you're totally stuck, you can always look in the hints. Did you look in the hints? Reminds you about moving XY, right? Lets you know that there's more than one solution. This is the classic puzzle. I know you've heard the phrase think outside the box. This is one of the classic puzzles that they use to help people think about thinking outside the box. So maybe that's enough of a hint for you. If it is, pause this video and take a crack at it yourself. Moving on to step 2, right? Letting you know the first move, one possible solution is given here. Hero.moveXY 3248. And right, if you try that, hero.moveXY 3248, what you'll see, go ahead and try that as a first move, what you'll see, right, is a possible first move there. Okay, now you need to make another move, and you're going to want to pick up as many gems as you can. If you head to here, yeah, you can get 2 more, but then you're only going to have 2 more moves left, and you're not going to be able to get all the gems left in 2 moves. Likewise, if you go here, you're not going to be able to get them all in 2 moves. So you're going to have to do something else. Go ahead and pause it if you think you might know what that is. I don't want to help you too much. And then you can try on your own. I'm going to keep going with the hints that are right here. Right? So as a second move, they give you another hint that you could move to 7048. Right? After trying this, you'll see the trick to the puzzle. If you still need more help, there are more hints. So we're going to move to 7048 and hero.moveXY 7048. And what you'll see, right? If you want to take a crack at solving this on your own, it's time to pause it and just go for it. Okay? So I don't want to help you too much. This step is going to be helping you too much. Let's go ahead and see what it does. Outside the box, and there you go. That was the move outside the box. So that was our hero's second move. And I think from here, you'll have 2 moves left to get all the remaining diamonds, and you can use a similar idea to get them all, right? And I think you probably get it at this point. So go ahead and pause the video if you want to. Do that on your own. I'm going to go ahead and finish this level, but I'm realizing that, the whole point of this level wasn't necessarily about writing programs. It was about solving a puzzle, and I don't want to help you more than the help that you need. So it's another good time to pause it and finish it on your own. Right? I'm going to shoot for right about here on my third move, and then I'm going to head up to get these other 2 gems. So shooting for right about here, this looks about 3212. So I'm going to do hero.moveXY. Oops. Hero.moveXY 3212. Make sure that does what I think it's going to do. That looks good. And then I'm going to actually head back to that same spot that I did right here, right, which is just a copy of my first move. I'm going to actually, copy, not cut. I'm going to copy and paste my very first move and do it again. And that's the big idea. Now you still have to submit it now because we have to submit all of our levels now, but this one doesn't change. So we can go ahead and skip it. We know it's going to work. And that's the end. All right, folks, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.